the boat.
Oh no, my nail polish almost went away.
Mine didn't go away. Miss it did go away.
This one.
Bye bye nail polish. What?
Nothing.
Take a sprinkle. Sprinkle. A sprinkle.
Look at my arm.
Oh, flick it off. Right there.
Hey, don't do that.
Something's
don't have
on
a
my
napkin.
arm.
Now you gotta get a napkin or something.
This is a napkin.
Mary, take care of these kids. What are you doing?
This is on a napkin.
They look so funny.
Yum.